In this video, I am going to teach you how to copy text in Bluebeam. Whether you're working on markups or reviewing plans, copying text can help speed up your workflow. Let's walk through the simple process. Let's get started. First, go to Bluebeam, sign into your account, and open the file you want to work with. Make sure the document is searchable or has selectable text. Then, select the text you want to copy using your mouse. Click and drag to highlight the section clearly. Next, right-click on the highlighted text. A context menu will appear with multiple options. After that, choose Copy or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy the selected text to your clipboard. Bonus tip: if the text is not selectable, use the OCR tool in Bluebeam to convert scanned documents into searchable text first. And that's how you can copy text easily in Bluebeam. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and practical tutorials. See you next time!